7. Autonomous robots. You may have heard of self-driving cars or drones that can fly without human control, but did you know that robots are becoming more autonomous in all areas of life? Imagine a future where robots can take care of tasks such as cleaning your home, stocking your grocery shelves, or even performing surgeries. These robots are equipped with sensors and algorithms that allow them to navigate and make decisions on their own. For example, a self-driving car uses cameras and LiDAR sensors to detect and navigate around obstacles, while a surgical robot uses precision sensors to perform precise movements. Autonomous robots can also work in dangerous or difficult environments. For context, they can be used to inspect nuclear power plants or to search for survivors in a disaster area. They can also work continuously without getting tired or making mistakes, making them more efficient than humans. As technology continues to evolve, autonomous robots are becoming more and more advanced. For instance, they are now able to learn and adapt to new tasks, making them even more versatile.